organization is about the people, it's for the people. And we believe in one cause. We believe in moving Edo State forward, and that we will do. We are going to work on the people, we are going to move the people with us, and with the people we will get there. I think that is what the program is about for now.
What does the credibility of this organization stand for?
Well, the credibility of this organization, I can say now, it's centered on trust. It's centered on trust. We trust our people and we want our people to trust us. Because it's about the people. With the people, we need the people and they need us to move the state forward. I think that is the credibility we are talking about. In less than 3-4 years, the organization will take over the state. That I can assure you.